All right, guys, so we got another Blender Octane release here. If we take a look, we've got a release, Blender Octane release 2026.3, 31.9. This was released yesterday, the 22nd of June. Let's quickly see the changes here. Changing since supports point cloud display colors as Octane color attributes. Always use camera resolutions for OSL camera. Added use object layer for instances. Default was off. When on, the collection object layer applies to all of the instanted children. When off, each child keeps its own object layer. Fixes since released. Fix the loss of object layers on collection instances. Fix the local DB list not refreshing without a server restart. Actually, I need to look into that and see. It's been a long time since I played with the local DB database and see get about getting that working now. Fixed imported transform value nodes becoming camera transform and minor bug fixes. So definitely take a look at that. Again, this only works on, this is release only compatible with Blender 5.1. Previous 5.0 and 4.5s are not supported. This works on vanilla Blender 5.12 release that can be downloaded from the Blender Foundation website.org. Basically, I have lots of videos here on the channel on how to install that if you guys need any help. Definitely take a look at that. Remember, we need to have the add-on here for the Blender version and then the Octane server. Again, this works for Prime and Studio members. Studio have multiple access to using multiple GPUs. That's the paid version. Prime members that is the free version there, and it's only used for one GPU enabled on your computer there. And then download the corresponding server for each one. Alrighty, guys. I hope that helps. Peace. Catch you out.